Hi everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate how to install an SSL certificate on Zimbra. Let's begin by generating a CSR or certificate signing request and a private key using the SSL Dragon CSR generator tool. Make sure to keep the private key code safe and share the CSR with SSL Dragon to obtain a CRT or certificate. In the common name field, use your domain name, yourdomain.com, and in the email address field, and fill out all required information like state, city, org name, org unit name. Use your associated email address, info@yourdomain.com, as shown in the video. After generating the CSR, copy the generated CSR code and the private key into separate .csr and .key files. Share these files with SSL Dragon, and SSL Dragon will issue a CRT for your CSR. SSL Dragon will provide you with a .crt file, and don't forget to save the .key file for yourself. Now, let's switch to the Zimbra user and merge the intermediate CA certificate using the cat command, as demonstrated in the video. Refer to the YouTube description for the specific command structure. After merging, assign the necessary permissions to the newly created CA bundle or intermediate certificate file, as illustrated in the video. To verify the certificate, utilize the zmcertmgr utility. Detailed command instructions can be found in the YouTube description. Now, deploy the certificate using the zmcertmgr utility. Follow the instructions in the YouTube description. Ensure that the key file is present in the opt/zimbra/ssl/zimbra/commercial location. To confirm the successful deployment of certificates, execute the zmcertmgr utility. Review the YouTube description for the specific command syntax. It's time to restart the Zimbra server to reflect the deployed certificate across all of Zimbra's services. Initiate this process using the zmcontrol utility. For detailed steps, consult the YouTube description. Finally, open your web browser, access the URL of the Zimbra admin console, and click on the padlock icon to view the certificate details, following the steps demonstrated in the video. Thank you for watching this video. Save 10% on any SSL certificate order on SSL Dragon by applying the promo code YouTube10 during checkout.